Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a hair mask for healthy scalp and hair growth. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will wash my aloe vera leaves, making sure that they are all clean before I start using them. Now I can extract my aloe vera gel, but I will start by cutting out the end part and then the side part. Now I'm going to cut the leaves in small parts to be able to extract the aloe vera gel. I like to use the knife to extract the aloe vera gel, but if you're not comfortable using a knife, you can always use a spoon. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which promote healthy self-growth and shiny hair. I usually use aloe vera on my skin, on my daughter's skin, and it really helps for any irritation that we get. So I know that using aloe vera on the scalp will be good for healthy scalp. Next, I'm going to add 1 spoon of moringa powder. Moringa contains omega-3, which nourishes the hair. It also contains amino acids, which build healthy hair strength. It also contains zinc, which stimulates hair growth. These are just few of the benefits of using moringa on hair. Next, I'm going to add 1 spoon of fenugreek powder. Because of its richness in protein and amino acids, fenugreek can repair damaged hair, strengthen the roots of the hair, and add shine to our hair. These are only few benefits of using fenugreek on hair. My next ingredient will be olive oil. Olive oil nourishes and conditions the hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm going to blend out all of these good ingredients all together and get it ready to put this on my daughter's hair. Before applying the hair mask on her hair, I will be spraying some rosemary water all over her hair because I didn't get the time to detangle her hair and her hair was in too high buns. So now I'm just going to spray some rosemary on her hair, then I'm going to apply the hair mask on her hair. To apply the hair mask, I will start around the ends and I will move on slowly all the way till I get to her scalp. And I will do that section all around that section, making sure that every part of that section has this beautiful hair mask. Then I will move on to the next section. Again, I will do the same thing. I will spray some rosemary water on her hair just to make her hair a little softer because I didn't get to detangle her hair and her hair was in a high bun for a few days. So I'm spraying the rosemary water on her hair to make her hair a little softer before I put the hair mask on her hair. Next, I will put the hair mask on that section of the hair and then move on to the next until I put the mask on her whole head. I always add extra around the edges because we know edges need extra love, extra care. So when I have extra hair mask left, I will always add more around the edges. Then I will let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. Usually it takes more than 30 minutes because I have to do my older daughter's hair, which takes time also. So usually it's about 30 minutes or so before I rinse it out and continue with a regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, press that like button, and see you on the next one. Bye.